I guess since I'm a fresh graduate, I'm excited for the work in the office setup.
From home. Kasi alam naman ng lahat kasi pag sa Manila, polluted, tas laging traffic, tas parang hassle. Siguro mas pipiliin kong work from home.
Dealing with traffic for 2 hours for a one-way trip, round trip 4 hours or more or less. So imagine that's half of my shift at work. So whoever is trying to put resistance with work from home is crazy.
For me, I like a hybrid setup. Kasi may times na makaka-focus more on my work kapag nasa office ako.
Hi, nandito ngayon tayo sa Bonifacio Global City and magtatanong tayo ulit ng random people kung ano ang mas efficient sa kanila, mag-work from home o mag-work from office. Let's go! Ano po yung pangalan nyo?
Sin po.
Taga saan po kayo?
Taga dito sa Taguig.
May tanong sa inyo, ano po yung mas prefer nyo, mag-work sa office or mag-work from home?
So work from home, kasi parang mas may control ako sa oras ko. Tsaka mas naaayos ko kung anong pwede ko gawin sa bahay, balanse ko sa trabaho. Yun yung ginagawa ko right now. Kaya yun yung mas prefer ko talaga.
Jasmine pa. For me, work sa office. Kasi pag sa bahay, tinatamad ako. Nakikita ko yung family ko, papahinga, di ako rin. Lalo na yung COVID na sa online classes. Mas motivated ako kung nasa tamang facilities ako, sa tamang lugar lang. Feeling ko na tama, gano'n.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Sir, what's your name?
Justin.
Okay.
I'm from Pasig, work from home. And do you want to know why? It's because of traffic. Who wants to work for 8 hours or 9 hours straight and then spend your time dealing with traffic for 2 hours for a one-way trip, round trip 4 hours or more or less? So imagine that's half of my shift at work. So whoever is trying to put resistance with work from home is crazy. You know, everyone is spending even though they're working from home. So I don't get what economic impact they're trying to put us in. Like in that kind of mindset, I mean, it's not healthy. You know, working from home has really improved my lifestyle as well. My social life and my time with my family has improved. So I don't think anyone would disagree with that. So ayun guys, I cannot go to work without getting ready. What I just did, and I earned well today because I'm working from home. So anyway, yun lang.
Nice.
Thank
nice.
you.
My name is Jerome Pontawe from Pangasinan.
Okay, sir. My question is, ano po yung mas prefer nyo na setup? Mag-work from home or mag-work sa office?
Mas prefer ko ang mag-work sa bahay kasi parang pag nasa work from office kasi parang andun yung parang pagod gano'n na parang parang nabubuo pag may kasama kang nagwo-work. Pero pag nasa bahay ka, after work mo sa bahay is pwede kang mag-chill, pwede kang makibanding sa family mo. Ganun pa, parang mas nadadagdag yung oras mo sa family. Then after nun, pwede kang mag-hangout with friends, mga ganun po.
Nice. Okay. Sir, yun lang, sir. Okay. Thank you. Okay. What's your name, kuya?
John Michael Fernandez.
Taga saan po kayo?
Pasig. Mas prefer ko if mag-work is sa office. Yeah. Kasi nandun ka sa environment na mapupush ka para mag-work. Tapos mas less yung distractions. Tapos syempre, pag may mga kailangan gawin regarding sa work, andun ka na. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-set pa ng appointment to go sa work. workplace. Yun lang.
My name's Poliana Jamie from what city? Parañaque City. I guess since I'm a fresh graduate, I'm excited for the work in the office setup. Why? Okay, so yeah, since as I mentioned, as a fresh graduate, I kind of want to see the scene of a corporate setup because yeah, since I've been for my first 2 years in college, I've been studying online, which is like studying from home, and then luckily, the last 2 years of my college, face-to-face naman, I wanna see that scene as well for the face-to-face setup. Yeah.
All right, nice answer. Okay.
I'm Gabby from Makati. I think it depends then. Because as much as ideal ako gusto ko sa office din, like sometimes kasi like yung nakakainayang din yung travel expenses din. So I think yung ideal for me is hybrid din. Since editor ako. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Hybrid.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Agnes Gutierrez from Dasma, Cavite.
My question is, ano po yung mas efficient sa inyo? Mag-work from office or mag-work from home?
For me, I like a hybrid setup. Kasi may times na makaka-focus more on my work kapag nasa office ako. Pero at the same time, I could do a lot of stuff at home kasi. So parang medyo multitasking. So kapag hybrid setup, I can do both na focus on work and then do other things na kailangan kong gawin.
Okay. Nice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Claire Sadangel and I'm from Taguig din.
My question is, ano po yung mas prefer nyo na setup? Work from home or mag-work sa office?
Work from home. Ibig sabihin nun parang binibigyan ka ng boss mo ng trust na kaya mong gawin yung trabaho mo kahit na hindi ka nila i-manage masyado. And natitrain yung accountability mo to do your job even if no one's looking at you. Yan lang.
Nice.
Thank you.
Aliyah Galsim po, from Cubao. Work from home po. For me, mas convenient siya in the future. Yun lang.
Jolly Aranyes po. Cubao din.
My question is, ano po yung mas prefer nyo? Mag-work sa office or mag-work from home?
Mag-work sa office. Kasi mas ma-experience mo yung real life job. Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you. Yan lang. What's your name po, ma'am?
Radsmia, from Basilan.
Ang question ko is, ano po yung mas prefer nyo? Mag-work from office or mag-work from home?
Siguro po from home. Kasi alam naman ng lahat kasi pag sa Manila polluted, tas laging traffic, tas parang hassle. Siguro mas pipiliin kong work from home. Like aside from less hassle siya, parang at the same time parang kikita yung family ganun, tas may bonding habang nag-work.
Nice.
Ganun.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Nelson from Naga City.
Okay. Sir, my question is, ano po yung mas prefer nyo? Mag-work from home or mag-work sa office?
Sa akin is work from home. Kailangan ko ba explain?
Sige, sir.
More time for yourself and then with family na din. Yun.
Ano gusto mo? Matulog sa bahay o matulog sa pet grooming? Busy ko lang.